This is Nokia 220, and today I will show how you can add an event to calendar on this device. So to start, you will need to open the menu or the list of available apps, then find and launch the calendar app. Over here, open the date or day that you would like to set your event on, so I'll go with, 22nd for example. Then hit the new event button, or while selected, tap the add. Then fill out all your event details, such as its title, timeframes, set up your reminding or notifying preferences. You can also add the location this event will take place at. You can also set the ringtone for it to have once you will be reminded about this event. Set up its repetitiveness or reoccurrence. Add some notes or description to it, and then once you're ready to save it, just hit this main button like that, and here's your event. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.